Hello, my name is Alexander Julian Jacob, and today I will teach you how to make iced milk tea. Let's prepare the ingredients first. The first ingredient is instant tea. Second is a tablespoon of sugar. Third is 1.5 tablespoon of sweetened condensed milk. And the last is ice cubes, hot waters, and cold waters. Let's make the iced milk tea. First, put the sugar. And the milk in a glass. Put the tea. Second, pour the hot water. Stir the tea until it turns brown. Third, after mixed well, pour the cold water. And put the ice cubes. Stir the tea again. Fourth, pour the cold water again. And iced milk tea is ready to drink. That's all from me. Thank you.